So good day. Here again is a standard POB 1 bedroom apartment. I'll take a view. This apartment is very sweet on a serene environment. Affordable rent of 1 million. You can see good road, accessible road here in the city of Port Harcourt, Obogoro. It also comes with a water heater. Yeah, see, very sweet place with some modern facilities, spacious kitchen and toilet. Has balcony. Take a view of it and see. And then this is the balcony. Yeah, very good place to stay.